So these pocket LED lights are becoming incredibly affordable, and some of them are just packed with features. The Falconeyes F7 Pocketlite is a perfect example of this. You can pick up this little light for $140 US on Amazon. If you want to pick up one, please use the affiliate link in my video description. So this light is incredibly easy to operate. You have a power switch that doubles as a menu button where users can toggle between 3 different operation modes, including CCT, HSI, and 18 different scene modes, or these special effect modes. You have 2 little wave wheel knobs that can be used to dim light levels, adjust color temperatures, and jump between scene modes. So in CCT mode, you can dim the light from 0 to 100% and make color temperature adjustments ranging from 2500K to 9000K. HSI mode offers 360 hue options, each with adjustable levels for saturation and brightness ranging from 0 to 100. And the scene mode provides 18 special effects scenarios, which I'm going to show you a bit later in the video. So I really like the design. It feels really rugged. It's just about over half a pound. It also has a magnetic body, so if you have the opportunity, you can use it hands-free. It's incredibly handy if you're shooting in small spaces such as a car or any other location where you can't really fit a light stand. All the readouts are clearly displayed on the back on the 1-inch screen. So obviously one of the main selling points of these LED lights is the mobility factor. There's really a reason the word pocket is in the name of this light. The F7 is roughly the same size as my Nexus 6P mobile phone, and indeed it fits comfortably in my pocket. With the internal battery, this light can run for 2 hours at its brightest level. It has a Type-C standard USB charging interface at the top, and it works with the external battery blocks.